The future is here. These cutting-edge gadgets aren't just cool, they're game changers. Whether you're upgrading your home, office, or everyday life, these devices boost efficiency, comfort, and fun like never before. Ready to see what's possible? Let's dive in. Upgrade your hygiene routine with this automatic soap dispenser. Featuring a touchless infrared sensor, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap in just zero point 0.2 seconds, reducing the spread of germs. With an adjustable volume control, you can customize the soap output to your preference. It works with all liquid soaps, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. This dispenser is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries, and its sleek waterproof design ensures durability. The transparent tank lets you monitor soap levels, so you never run out unexpectedly. Enjoy a cleaner, smarter, and more convenient hand washing experience with this modern soap dispenser. Take control of your home with this mini smart plug. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can turn devices on and off remotely using your smartphone or voice assistant. Set custom schedules to automate your appliances, save energy, and increase convenience. No hub is required, just plug it in, connect, and enjoy. Perfect for lights, coffee makers, and more, this compact smart plug simplifies your daily routine. Stay hands-free while driving with this universal car phone mount. Designed for windshields, dashboards, and air vents, it provides a secure grip for any smartphone. The 360-degree rotating head allows you to adjust your phone to the perfect angle, whether for navigation, calls, or music. Its one-touch release system makes mounting and removing your device effortless. Keep your phone stable, visible, and within reach for a safer, more convenient driving experience. Stay healthy on the go with this mini portable blender. Whether you're craving smoothies, protein shakes, or fresh juices, this compact device lets you blend anytime, anywhere. With powerful stainless steel blades, it quickly crushes fruits, ice, and veggies for a perfectly smooth consistency. The USB rechargeable battery means you can blend at home, in the office, or at the gym. Simply fill, blend, and enjoy your fresh drink in seconds. No need for bulky blenders. Enjoy your coffee at the perfect temperature with the Smart Temperature Control Travel Mug. This innovative mug keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours, so every sip is just the way you like it. With an intelligent heating system, you can adjust the temperature with a simple touch. Whether you're at the office, on a trip, or just relaxing at home, this mug ensures your drink stays just right. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and experience the ultimate convenience of temperature-controlled drinking. Achieve perfectly cooked meals every time with this digital meat thermometer, a must-have for grilling, roasting, and baking. With instant read technology, this thermometer delivers accurate temperature readings in just 2-3 seconds, ensuring your steak, chicken, or fish is cooked to perfection. The large backlit display makes it easy to read temperatures, even in low light conditions, while the waterproof design allows for hassle-free cleaning. Designed for convenience, the foldable stainless steel probe ensures compact storage, and the built-in magnet and hook let you keep it within reach in your kitchen. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring juicy meats, crispy poultry, and perfectly baked goods every time. Organize and charge all your devices at once with this multi-device charging dock. Whether it's smartphones, tablets, or wireless earbuds, this station keeps everything powered up in one place. Featuring fast-charging ports, it reduces clutter and eliminates tangled cables. The adjustable dividers allow you to fit different-sized devices securely. Built-in overcharge protection ensures your gadget stays safe while charging. It's perfect for families, offices, and tech enthusiasts who need an efficient power hub. Say goodbye to messy cables and keep your devices organized, charged, and ready to go whenever you need them. Meet the collapsible electric kettle, a must-have for travelers, campers, and minimalists. This compact, foldable design saves space in your bag while delivering boiling water in minutes for tea, coffee, or instant meals. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's lightweight, durable, and safe for daily use. The one-button operation and automatic shut-off ensure hassle-free heating, while the dual voltage support makes it perfect for international travel. Whether you're in a hotel, dorm, or office, enjoy hot beverages anytime, anywhere with this portable, space-saving kettle. Upgrade your travel essentials today. Cook perfectly juicy meats every time with this smart meat thermometer. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, This wireless thermometer helps you achieve restaurant quality results with ease. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, it pairs with your smartphone app, allowing you to monitor real-time temperature and receive cooking alerts. The dual sensors measure both internal meat temperature and ambient heat, ensuring precise cooking every time. Its heat-resistant probe and long battery life make it perfect for extended cooking sessions. Plus, the preset temperature guides for different meats take the guesswork out of cooking. No more overcooked steaks or undercooked chicken achieve the perfect doneness, hassle-free. This portable handheld vacuum cleaner is a game changer for quick and effortless cleaning. Designed for cars, offices, and small spaces, it tackles dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. With a high-powered motor, this vacuum delivers strong suction, making it perfect for cleaning tight corners, keyboards, and upholstery. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the cordless operation offers maximum convenience. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter, it effectively captures fine particles, improving air quality. Plus, the long-lasting battery provides up to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Say goodbye to dust and dirt. This compact vacuum makes cleaning fast, easy, and efficient. Enjoy hot, homemade meals anywhere with the portable electric lunchbox. Whether you're at work, on the road, or traveling, this compact and efficient food warmer ensures your meals are always fresh and delicious. Simply plug it in, and within minutes, your food reaches the perfect temperature, no microwave needed. Its leak-proof design and stainless steel container make it easy to use, clean, and carry. Designed for busy professionals, students, and travelers, this lunchbox allows you to heat food on the go and enjoy a warm, home-cooked meal anytime. No more cold takeout or waiting in long lines. Upgrade your lunch routine today. Say goodbye to disposable lighters. This rechargeable electric lighter uses a plasma arc instead of a flame, making it windproof, eco-friendly, and rechargeable via USB. The long flexible neck allows you to safely light candles, grills, stoves, and more without burning your fingers. The built-in safety switch prevents accidental activation, making it a perfect choice for families. One full charge provides hundreds of uses, and the LED battery indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. No more wasting money on gas lighters. This smart solution is built to last. Compact, durable, and stylish, this electric lighter is a must-have for every home and outdoor adventure. Upgrade your home lighting with this smart Wi-Fi LED light bulb. With full color changing capabilities, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion, from a cozy movie night to an energetic party. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control the bulb hands-free using simple voice commands. Adjust brightness, set schedules, and choose from millions of colors via the intuitive mobile app. This energy-efficient LED bulb not only saves electricity but also lasts up to 25,000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Plus, setup is a breeze. Just screw it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start customizing. Enjoy smart, stylish, and customizable lighting for your home. Achieve perfectly measured ingredients with this digital kitchen scale designed for precision and ease. Whether you're baking, cooking, or meal prepping, this scale ensures accurate measurements every time. With high precision sensors, it delivers flawless accuracy down to the gram or ounce, making it ideal for precise recipes, portion control, and even coffee brewing. The large LCD display is easy to read, and the simple touch controls let you switch between units effortlessly. The compact, sleek design ensures it fits neatly in any kitchen, while the stainless steel surface makes it easy to clean. Plus, its tear function allows you to measure ingredients without extra calculations, saving time and effort. Perfect for home chefs, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who loves to cook with precision. This digital scale is a must-have tool in any modern kitchen. Avoid overweight baggage. FEs with the digital luggage scale, a travel essential designed to save you time, money, and stress at the airport. This compact, lightweight gadget features a high-precision sensor that delivers accurate weight readings up to 110 pounds is 50 kilograms. With its easy-to-read LCD display, you can quickly check your bag's weight before check-in. The one-button tear function and unit conversion allow you to switch between pounds and kilograms effortlessly. Built with a sturdy strap and durable stainless steel hook, this scale ensures a secure grip on any luggage handle. The auto-off function helps conserve battery life, making it reliable for frequent travelers, perfect for air travel, road trips, and backpacking. This handheld scale gives you peace of mind, so you can travel smarter and lighter. Say goodbye to last-minute surprises at the check-in counter. Take your coffee game to the next level with this electric coffee grinder. Whether you love espresso, French press, or drip coffee, freshly ground beans make all the difference. This powerful grinder features high-quality stainless steel blades that deliver uniform grinding in seconds. With multiple grind settings, you can choose from coarse to fine textures, ensuring the perfect consistency for your brew. Its compact design fits effortlessly on any countertop. While the one-touch operation makes it incredibly easy to use, just pour in your beans, press the button, and enjoy freshly ground coffee in moments. Need to grind spices, nuts, or seeds? No problem. This grinder isn't just for coffee, it's a multi-purpose kitchen essential. With a durable motor and safety lock lid, you get reliable performance every time. Say goodbye to Pierre ground coffee and enjoy the rich aroma and taste of freshly ground beans. Cooking delicious meals has never been easier with this digital air fryer with touchscreen. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy fried foods and enjoy crispy perfection with little to no oil. With its advanced hot air circulation technology, this fryer ensures even cooking and a golden brown finish every time. Whether you're making fries, chicken, vegetables, or even desserts, this air fryer does it all with up to 80% less fat than traditional frying methods. The intuitive touchscreen display offers multiple preset cooking modes, so you can cook your favorite meals with just one touch. Plus, the adjustable temperature and timer settings give you full control over your cooking experience. Designed for convenience, this fryer features a spacious non-stick basket, making it perfect for family meals. Cleanup is also a breeze, as the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Upgrade your kitchen with this digital air fryer and enjoy healthier, tastier meals every day. Upgrade your seasoning experience with this rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set, designed for effortless grinding. This sleek and modern set delivers perfectly ground spices at the push of a button. Each grinder features adjustable coarseness settings, so you can choose fine, medium, or coarse grains to match your dish perfectly. The LED light ensures precise seasoning, even in dim lighting. Plus, the powerful rechargeable battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. With its stylish design and durable construction, this grinder set is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home or entertaining guests, this tool makes seasoning effortless and elegant. Looking for the perfect lighting setup for your workspace? This smart LED desk lamp combines modern design with ultimate functionality. Featuring adjustable brightness and color temperature, it allows you to customize the ambience to suit any task, whether you're working late, reading, or relaxing. But that's not all. This versatile lamp also includes a built-in wireless charger, letting you power up your smartphone effortlessly while keeping your desk clutter-free. No more tangled cables, just place your device on the base, and it starts charging instantly. The lamp's sleek and minimalistic design makes it a perfect fit for any office, bedroom, or study area. Its adjustable arm and rotating head give you full control over the lighting angle, reducing glare and eye strain. With energy-efficient LED technology, this lamp provides long-lasting illumination while consuming minimal power. Plus, the touch-sensitive controls make adjusting brightness levels effortless. Upgrade your workspace with this smart LED desk lamp where style meets innovation and convenience is built right in. Enjoy hot drinks anywhere with this portable electric kettle. Designed for travel, home, or office use, it heats water quickly and safely. With a double wall insulation, it keeps the exterior cool to the touch, preventing burns. The fast boil technology brings water to the perfect temperature in just a few minutes. This kettle features automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. The leak-proof lid prevents spills, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack in a suitcase or backpack. Plus, the stainless steel interior ensures pure, great-tasting water with every boil, perfect for tea lovers, coffee enthusiasts, and busy travelers. This electric kettle is a must-have for anyone on the move. Cutting and chopping vegetables can be time-consuming and messy, but with this multi-purpose vegetable chopper, meal prep becomes quick, effortless, and precise. Equipped with interchangeable stainless steel blades, this chopper slices, dices, and juliennes with ease, helping you create perfectly uniform cuts in seconds. Whether you're preparing onions, tomatoes, potatoes, or peppers, this tool saves you time and effort. The large, detachable container collects all your chopped ingredients, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. No more messy cutting boards or accidental spills. Designed with safety and in mind, the non-slip base keeps the chopper stable, and the protective handguard prevents injuries while slicing. If you love cooking fresh meals but hate the prep work, this vegetable chopper is a must-have gadget in your kitchen. Meet the ultra-compact USB wall charger, the perfect solution for fast, efficient, and portable charging. Designed to be small yet powerful, this charger delivers high-speed charging while taking up minimal space. Equipped with multiple charging ports, it allows you to power up multiple devices at once, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or even small gadgets. The advanced safety system protects against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, ensuring a safe and reliable charge every time. Perfect for travelers and minimalists, this charger fits easily into any bag or pocket. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you'll always have a reliable power source at your fingertips. Plus, its universal compatibility makes it ideal for a wide range of devices. Ditch bulky chargers and upgrade to this sleek, high-performance USB wall adapter because power should never slow you down. Upgrade your workspace with this adjustable laptop stand designed for ergonomic comfort and improved productivity. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or on the go, this stand offers the perfect angle and height to reduce neck and back strain. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's lightweight, durable, and supports all laptop sizes. The open frame design enhances airflow, preventing your device from overheating during long hours of use. With multiple height adjustments, you can customize it to match your sitting or standing desk setup. It also folds flat for easy storage and portability, perfect for students, professionals, and creatives. This stand transforms any desk into a more comfortable, organized workspace. Improved posture, enhanced cooling, and work smarter with this must-have gadget. Never let your coffee go cold again with this smart coffee mug warmer. Designed for home, office, or study sessions, it keeps your drink warm at the perfect temperature for hours. Featuring adjustable heat settings, you can choose the ideal warmth for your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. The intelligent auto shut-off ensures safety by turning off after a set period, preventing overheating. The sleek, lightweight design makes it portable and convenient, fitting seamlessly into any workspace. With touch controls, adjusting the temperature is effortless. Plus, its water-resistant surface ensures durability and easy cleaning. This mug warmer is perfect for busy professionals, students, or anyone who loves warm drinks. Whether you're working, reading, or relaxing, it keeps your beverage just the way you like it. A great gift idea, this device is a must-have for coffee and tea lovers everywhere. Love fresh coffee but hate the hassle of grinding beans manually? This portable electric coffee grinder is the ultimate solution for coffee lovers on the go. Designed for speed and convenience, this grinder lets you crush coffee beans in seconds with just the push of a button. Whether you prefer coarse grounds for a French press or fine grounds for espresso, the adjustable grind settings allow for total customization. The compact, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for home, office, or even road trips. No need for bulky coffee machines, just load your beans, press the button and enjoy freshly ground coffee anywhere. With its powerful motor and stainless steel blades, this grinder ensures consistent results every time. Plus, the quiet operation means no loud grinding noises to disturb your morning routine. Not just for coffee, you can also use it to grind spices, nuts, and seeds, making it a versatile kitchen tool. Upgrade your coffee experience with this portable electric coffee grinder because every cup deserves freshly ground perfection.